How to add users to Clickup. Hello guys and welcome to this video. For today's topic, we will be talking about Clickup. Now I'm going to tell you 3 levels of how you can add users to Clickup. The first level, which is the lowest level, is to add someone to a specific task. Now what we're going to do is you're going to choose a specific task and then you're going to click on the 3 dots on the right. Over here at the bottom, we could click on the sharing and permissions. And over here, we would be able to invite someone through name or email to be added to that specific task. You could also share the link with anyone or make the link private. Now the second level is we could add someone who could manage this entire page over here. By clicking on the share button over here on the top right, we would be able to do the same thing, but they would be able to edit the space. Now the highest level is going over here on the left side, where we can click on invite users. Now whoever we invite over here will be able to gain access to the public spaces, documents, and dashboard. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.